If you're serious about Microsoft Access development and want to stay up to date with what's going on, this is definitely something you should check out. Hey folks, this is Richard Rost from Access Learning Zone. Access DevCon Vienna is coming up April 16th and 17th, so just about a little over a week from now. It's a fully virtual conference. They call it DevCon Vienna, but it's virtual. You can attend it from anywhere. It's 2 days packed with sessions from Access experts from around the world, including the Microsoft team, the guys who actually work on Access at Microsoft, MVPs, and some really sharp developers. Let's take a look at what they got coming up this year. First up, you got the Microsoft Access team presenting. If you saw my Access Day review, a lot of this will sound familiar. They'll be talking about things like form zooming, large monitor support, and what's coming next. The big difference here is you get to hear it directly from them, and there's usually a live Q&A where you can ask questions afterwards. So all you guys in the comments that have been asking me about this stuff, ask them. They're the ones to ask. Next up, we got Carl, who runs the event. He's doing his Access community update. Carl always does a great job pulling together what's going on across the entire Access ecosystem. New features, trends, usage stats, and what's happening in Access in general. Juan Soto is back with his AI session showing how to use AI as an Access development assistant. I saw him at Access Day, and his approach is really solid. He focuses on keeping AI under control, validating what it's doing, and actually using it in real-world development, not just as a gimmick. Alessandro is showing Ribbonizer, which looks like a full drag-and-drop ribbon builder for Access. If you've ever struggled with Ribbon XML, and I know I have, this could be a game changer. I cover customizing the ribbon in my developer classes. It's not easy to do, so I'm looking forward to checking this out. Mike Wolf is doing a session on Twin Basic, which is something I've been keeping my eye on. I miss VB6, and from what I hear, Twin Basic is very much like VB6. He's going to be showing a practical way that Access developers can use it today, including building tools and utilities that work alongside your Access databases. Andrew and Peter are presenting their Graph Authenticator again. This is their solution for working with Microsoft Graph and modern authentication, especially now that new Outlook is breaking a lot of old VBA approaches for classic Outlook. So if you're working with the Microsoft ecosystem, this is a big one. Check this one out. They presented this at Access Day also, and it was quite fascinating. Kevin Bell has a session called Stop Blaming Access, Turn SQL Server into Your Weapon, which I'm really looking forward to. This is all about using SQL Server properly with Access to improve performance and maintainability. I've been focusing on this myself a lot lately, so I'm looking forward to this presentation. Luke is always fun to listen to. He's covering modern charting and data visualization. I have to say that 10 times fast. Including Access charts, Excel integration, Power BI. Luke's always got great content, especially when it comes to making your apps look more professional. Colin is doing a session on styling forms in UI. Things like dark mode support, themed forms, and better message boxes. If you want your apps to look more modern, that's definitely worth checking out. There are also a few quick tool sessions covering things like permissions management, tree view controls without ActiveX, and updates to VBA editor tools. They've got the schedule online for Thursday and Friday. Now, I'll be honest, I don't usually attend these things live. I know a lot of you are working during the day and can't really take off 2 whole days to watch this stuff. So what I've done in the past couple of years is I register and then I go back and I watch the recordings afterwards. These guys record everything, which is awesome because you can go back through at your own pace. And that alone makes it worth it for me personally. But if you prefer attending live, asking questions, interacting with the presenters, especially the Microsoft team, you can do that too. Looks like that one's about 2 p.m. on Thursday Eastern time. So overall, this looks like a really solid lineup. Whether you're into UI, SQL Server, AI, or just keeping up with what's happening in Access, there's something for everyone here. Here's the link right there to register. I'll put a link down in the description below that you can click on. When you sign up, be sure to tell them I sent you. You're not going to get a discount or anything, but at least they'll know that you're one of the cool kids. All right, that's all. Live long and prosper, my friends. I'll see you next time.